So right now we want to make m the subject of the formula. So we have to rearrange this formula to make m the subject of the formula. In other words, we have to solve this formula so that m will be by itself, while others on one side, m will be by the other side. Now, in normal algebra operations, the same rules apply here. So what we do here, so since this is a division sign, so you have to introduce the opposite operation. So this is a division, so we introduce multiplication because the opposite of division is multiplication. So what we do right here, we're going to multiply this thing by 4 and do the same thing here, because the rule says whatever you do on this side, you must do on the other side. So if this becomes x, this becomes x times 4 equals to 4 times hm over 4. So 4 times hm over 4. So this x times 4 will give you 4x. So you have 4x here equals to, so this 4 we cancel out this 4. This 4 will cancel out this 4. So we have hm remaining. So we're not done yet because the question says m has to be by itself. In order for m to be by itself, we have to eliminate this. Now to eliminate these, we have to introduce the opposite operation. So this is hm. hm means h times m. So because it is a multiplication, we have to introduce division so we can eliminate h. And mind you, whatever we do on one side, we do on the other side. So move it here. So you have 4x divided by h equals to hm divided by h. So this one cancel out this one. So we don't have anything to cancel out here. So we have 4x over h equals to m. So now this is the answer. M is by itself, or we can do it like this, or m equals to 4x over h. That is the answer. That's the answer. Okay, look at this question. It says make s the subject of the formula. So you have ds minus t equals to 8. So the idea is to make x the subject of the formula. To achieve that, we have to move this first, t to the other side. Because t is here a negative, when you move it to the other side, it becomes a positive. So we have dx equals to 8 plus t. So when you move from here to the other side, it becomes a positive plus t. So you have dx equals to 8 plus t. So we're still going to make x the subject of the formula. So because we have dx here, and dx means d times x, so we have to introduce the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So we're going to divide this place by d, divide this side of the equation by d, so we can eliminate d, so s can be by itself, and then we divide this side by d. So here d cancel out d, so you have x equals to 8 plus t divided by d. So this is the answer for this one. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow me for more step-by-step math lesson you will love. Thank you.